this is Amanda, or also known as Fixing This RN. Today is about putting money toward sinking funds. We are working with $200 today, so I think what I'd like to do is a little bit different, not much though. I'd like to start off with our scratch offs and then see how far we get with that and then decide what I want to do after the fact. So the scratch offs might be my main goal today. They kind of were yesterday. I won't, or not yesterday, but last week. I'll try not to make it that boring. But I do want to put in some work with it. So the first one, we actually finished the scratch offs. This is Itsy Bitsy Yellow Polka Dot Bikini. But on the back, because it's Snow Garden 307, there's challenges. So let's go ahead and do at least 10 for this. So we'll do the other yellow polka dot bikini. And then we will do the other bikini that we did before. So that's 7. And let's do the last one too. So that should make 10. So we'll start off with that and see how far we get with everything else. I feel like we're so close to completing some of these challenges that I kind of just want to get them done. As awful as that sounds, but I think I'm just excited to get them done. So we're gonna add $10 to that challenge, and I will come back and count it all up once I decide we're done, just in case we do decide to finish it. The second one, and I don't know if this is showing up in frame, but I have it upside down right now. It seems to be working better for me. So the second one is by Boy Mom Loves to Save. This is Save 100 and its denominations 1 to 14. It says, push it real good. So we are just going to go ahead and, because I don't remember where I stopped anyways. So let's go ahead and do one of these. So that is 7. And let's do one of these. So that's 18, because that was an 11. So should I go for another one? Yeah, let's do this one. That's 19. I might as well finish it. 19. That's an 11. So that will be 30. Kind of regret it now. Okay, we can do this. Okay. So, in the last 4, or actually I think it was 5, but in the last 4, they totaled up to $50. Yikes. But on the plus side, we should be done, hopefully. So let's count this up, make sure we have $100. That stung a little bit. I regret that. Okay, 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Apparently I have more in here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So somehow we have 110. So at some point my math was not mathing. But I'm going to leave it in there. And if we see that one is short, then we know what happened. But for right now, I'll just put that it's over. But yay, completed challenge. Woo woo. Okay, so we'll leave that on the side. The next one, and the only one we have left before we reset our challenges, is, and do the last of the coloring for Snow Gardener 307. I've already lost my scratcher. Hold on. Okay. We'll just go ahead and start scratching off with this too. So this is from Jenna Budgets US, or Jenna US Budgets. I always get it wrong. The cool thing about this challenge, it's a save 75, but it has characters behind it. So obviously it makes sense. The birds are up in the sky. I'm assuming they're seagulls. We're at 11, hopefully. And hopefully I mean by my math is mathing. That is 12. I like the dolphins. They're nice and cheap. With that being said, let's go over here. Oh, that one was not as cheap. Not awful either though. I think I said 12, so we are at 19. And then the last one was a beach ball, and it is 6, so that should hopefully give us 25. Now, that last challenge was over. But funny thing is I might have just been generous last week because I also put way too much in periodically I'd like to save. So I've corrected that too. Okay, so 25. So let's get 20 and then 5. Okay. So it should say 75, so 20, 40, 50, 65, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one was perfect. Okay, so next completed challenge is done. All right, let's go back to the Snow Gardener 307 challenge. So we made the big polka dots 2, and then we made the little polka dots 1. So big polka dots 2, so 2, 4, and then 5 and 6, and this one is done too. So we are adding $6 more to this one, and let's count up how much we have. We should have at least $25. That was the value on the other side. So I would say at least, I would say we'd be close to 40, if not at 40. So we'll see. 10, 20, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have $48. That is perfect as well. So I guess I just wanted to give a little extra love last week into the challenges. All right. Ooh, I'm smearing that. Okay. So next we'll do periodically. Let's see how much we have. We still have quite a bit. So we had an extra $20 that I gave it love last week, but we need to add it to an actual element. This is periodically I'd like to save by Budget Your Life, Eva. and it will save us $7,021 when we're done. If you've never watched one of my debt videos before, I do not save it all until the end. I make payments along the way, so this will go towards the bank at the end of the month. Let's go ahead. We already have $20. Let's do 45. So rhodium. So we're going to take another 20 and a 5, and we are going to put it towards our periodic challenge. So far this month, we have saved 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 145, 51, 52. So 152. So 152 going towards 45 going towards periodically. And so the rest we will give some of our books love. So first one we'll do is The Life of the Duck Named What. This is from Snow Gardener 307. We use a let's use a 2 6-sided dies. I was trying to decide what I wanted to do. Hopefully you can't see my mess in the corner. Okay, 2 6-sided dies. One will be for the number of pages we land on, and then the other one will be what we do. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have finished this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it said 1. So we're just going to scratch off the first one we see, which is this one. Oh, that's a times 2. We only have 2 left. For this Life of the Duck, they all go to the same challenge, so I do not separate these. So you'll see me start putting money aside because it's all going towards the same thing. So times 2, which one do we want to do? Any, mini, miny, mo, catch a tiger by the tail. If he hollers, let him go. Any, mini, miny, mo. My mom told me. You are not it. Okay, so we're doing this one. Aw, I always pick the low one. Okay, so that's just $2. But since we were kind of done with this anyways, let's go ahead and just scratch off the last one. Ooh, so what I could do is I could add the 2 together. That would be 4, and then if I multiply it, that would be 8. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, next, 1, 2. This is the vet clinic. I don't think I rolled this one. Apparently it wants to be on 1, so. Bonus, $9. Or skip, we can do $9. 6, actually, let's put a 1 back and we'll take a 10. I like that, I like that. Okay. Do we want to go again or do we want to keep rolling? Let's keep rolling. So 1 would be this one. We left off on 2. 4. I was not doing that one again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are actually done. The last one was green, so we will save that total. So depending on what color you landed on, you save that amount. So like I rolled a 4. If I would have landed on yellow, I would have saved 2 instead. So we rolled on a 4. We will put a 1 back and take a 5. Okay. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This one does require 2 dice. So 4 and 4, so that doesn't actually matter which one we do. So 4 and 4 is 1. Let's do it one more time. 6 and 3. So let's do 6. Oh, no, we already did that one. So let's do 3 and 6. That one is 4. So we'll put a 1 back and take a 5. Okay, let's keep going. We'll play 1 or 2 more and then we'll jump to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We roll 2 again. So 4 and 2 for 6. Being you is your power. That will get 4. And then 2 will be I make myself a priority. So that is another 6. All right. We might actually stop there. 10. So 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32. Let's go 1 more. 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That didn't work either. We're done with that. Let's see what the next one would be. We finished those. So the next one would be a shark. Sharks are $1. So let's go ahead and color in 2 of the $1 sharks. And I'm not going to be as pretty with this one, although they're never super pretty, to warn you. But we'll go ahead and color 2 of them in real quick. My son's preschool had a shark week and I thought that was super cute. So they got to learn about sharks and what they eat and what they need to be careful of, and not the kids, not the sharks. Water safety. It was super, super cute. And then they had like water tables. Okay, so that's 2, and that will go towards Life of the Duck. So far this month, we have saved a lot apparently. Okay, so far this month we have saved 10, 30, 5, 45, 55, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 105. Perfect. We will put that one up, and then the last one that we'll send love to is going to be Bake It Till You Make It. Oh guys, I almost forgot one. Before we go to Bake It Till You Make It, we almost forgot Taco Tuesday. Can't believe I almost forgot this one. Alright, so we are in the month of July. This is from Mischief Manage Budgets and Champagne's Corner. This is each Tuesday of the month. So this time it is 15. So we will go ahead and add 15 to this challenge. Sorry. Let's see if we have a 5. We do. We'll take a 20. Okay. Now we are doing Bake It Till You Make It. This is from Boy Mom Loves to Save. This will save us over $1,000 when we're done. So we're going 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We are done with, oh no, we're not. This was $5. We're saving $5. Let's go ahead and color in this baking soda. Okay. Next, that's 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is a roll and save. I usually do 2 at a time. So 3 and 3. 3, that is 6. I think that's partly how I end up adding more money than I need to. I just don't pay attention to how much I'm actually pulling. 5. 1, 2, 3. Oh, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, it's Sully and Mike Wojcicki. I did not just do that. Obviously, it's not the real ones, but it reminds me of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, that one's 9. Okay, we might move on from this one. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Another roll and save. 4 and 6. So that is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Uh-oh. We're getting kind of low. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Maybe I will cheat and I will go color in one of my little colors since that's an even 5. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So we will throw in a 5 for like our rollover into one of the challenges. So that means that we have put in $5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I did not count that right, and I just remember that I had money that I needed to count too. So let's start over. Okay, take 2. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 5, 45, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. So we have saved $80 for this one. Woohoo! Okay. I need to remember this has a lot of ones. Alright, and with that we are all done with our Sick of Debt. And again, this one might be moving in the near future just because I might be working on Saturdays now. So to be continued. But I think that's it. I think I have 3 completed challenges, which is amazing. And I hope you guys have a great day. I may or may not be working today. And I don't know, that's all I can think of. So I lost I no longer have anything else to say. So again, all of these have been pre-recorded just in case I do work all weekend long. I will be accountable and have put money aside. So have a great weekend if I do not get these videos out. But if I don't get these videos out, you won't hear me say have a great weekend. But that's besides the point. I still hope you have a great weekend. And I will see you on the next video.